Hey guys, my name is Marilyn. I am from Huntsville, Alabama, North Alabama, and I came across Jack's work in Liberty Aid Academy and made the investment in January of 2024. At the time, I was in bed recovering from stage 4 cancer. I had battled that for quite a long time, about a year, 6 months from diagnosis, and then had surgery and was recovering from the surgery when I took a leap and made this investment. And the very first thing I did was establish my EIN. I followed all of Jack's instructions in the course, step by step by step by step. I got my EIN that has my first name and last name trust, which was amazing. The next thing I did is I got my contract for my private trust set up, took it and got that notarized. And so I had to get creative because I was not in the place to just be driving around and doing a lot of things. So I established an online account, and this is it says, thanks for choosing Ally Bank, my Ally Bank document that has my first name and last name, and my account with my first name, last name, trust, and me as the guarantor. So that was an amazing thing. As soon as I had more energy, I went down to Truist and opened up an account. It was amazing. They were amazing to work with. Actually, both Ally and Truist were both amazing to work with. And set up my account with them. So I've got my Truist account in my first name, last name, trust, and I am down as primary, and then trustee and grantor in the trust. And then I turned around and dissolved my LLC since I didn't need that anymore. And this is my letter from the IRS saying, in response to your correspondence, your account has been closed and your EIN has been canceled. And that was all done while I was recovering. So I just want to say that, if you've been hesitant, if you've come across his work, I will tell you that there is absolutely no other trust information out there that even comes close to what you will find inside Liberty Aid Academy. So I encourage you to reach out to Jack if you've been curious, if you've been wondering, if you've been on the fence about it, and definitely make a leap, because it's the best gift you can give yourself and your family. If you have children, the best gift that you can give your children. So thank you so much, Jack. My son and I are very thankful, and we look forward to continuing in the course and learning and taking all the next steps that you have lined up for us. Thanks so much.